In this video, I'm going to walk you through Revolut and explain everything you need to know about the Revolut card in just a few minutes. So if you've ever felt frustrated with traditional banks, maybe because of hidden fees, slow transactions, or outdated systems, then Revolut might be something worth looking at. It's not a typical bank, it's a modern financial app designed to give you more control over your money all from your phone. So what exactly is Revolut? At its core, Revolut is a digital banking app with a debit card that works across multiple currencies. This makes it really handy if you travel often, shop internationally, or simply want a smarter way to manage everyday spending. The app lets you send and receive money, exchange currencies at competitive rates, set budgets, and even invest in stocks or crypto. It's all about convenience without the usual banking headaches. Revolut also gives you options when it comes to plans. There's the free standard plan, but if you're looking for more perks like cashback, travel and medical insurance, partner offers, or even a platinum plated Ultra card, you can upgrade to one of their paid plans. Plus, Premium, Metal, or Ultra. Each tier unlocks more features so you can choose depending on what fits your lifestyle and needs. Another important part of Revolut is currency exchange. The rates are usually good, but one thing to note is that they add a small markup during weekends, around 1%. So if you plan to exchange money, it's better to do it on weekdays to save a little extra. The app itself is really user friendly. Whether you're splitting bills with friends, tracking your expenses, or managing savings, everything is set up to feel smooth and quick. Revolut even offers spending analytics that categorize your purchase, so you can see exactly where your money goes. It also has features like votes or digital piggy banks where you can round up spare change or set savings goals and virtual disposable cards for safer online shopping. On the security side, you can freeze or unfreeze your card instantly from the app, set limits, and get real time notifications for every transaction. This gives you more control and peace of mind compared to traditional debit or credit cards. Now, customer support, however, is mostly through in app chat. For some, this works fine, but others find it frustrating when urgent issues come up. Paid plans do get priority support, and Ultra members can even request callbacks for faster help. Now, let's quickly break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Revolut makes opening an account simple. Fees are transparent, trading costs are low, and you can earn interest on savings, and the app is smooth and feature packed. It's especially powerful for international travelers and people who shop online a lot. On the downside, investment options are limited. Advanced research tools aren't as strong as specialized platforms, and customer service can sometimes feel hit or miss. Also, some features like cashback or launch access are only available in higher tier paid plans. So, is Revolut worth it? If you want a flexible, modern, and mostly hassle free way to handle your money, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. But if you need advanced investment tools or prefer in person banking, you might find it a bit limited. And that wraps it up everything you need to know about Revolut in a nutshell. If you're curious, download the app, try the free plan, and see if it fits your lifestyle.